So we have successfully installed React Native CLI. So now we're going to install the Expo CLI. Now, first of all, we need to clear the screen, right? We need to clear the screen so that we can have more space to do stuff. Now, CLS in command prompt means clear screen. You can see when you type CLS, the screen clears. Now, we're going to do change directory. Now, changing directory means that you can open, change directory means that you can change the location of where you are in the in your command prompt. Like you see now, if you look at the command prompt, you're going to see C/users/users. That's the location where we are in drive C. So we can change. But what I want to also do is to go to the primary drive, which is primary location is C, because it's easier for us to navigate. Don't worry about understanding this too much, but with time, when we get a hang of this course, you're going to understand it. So we're going to click on change directory, cd/c, that we're going to drive C now. I want to go drive C. Now in this drive C, I want us to run our command prompts to install Expo CLI. Now to run Expo CLI, you're going to follow and type these following commands. Now all these commands I'm typing is my ebook. In case you've not gotten it, please look for it. It's on Stella, very affordable. Or you go to the other two websites, you can find these commands too. So to install the commands, we're going to type npx npm rather install G means the latest version of the software, Expo CLI, Expo/CLI. Now press enter after typing the following command. As you can see on your screen. Now this is going to take a while to install, but I'm going to fast forward it because of timing. If you have a fast network internet connection, or your computer is actually okay, it's not going to take as long as it's supposed to take. So let's just fast forward it. I'm going to come back when it's done running. Now, as you can see, this thing has finished running, and we have installed Expo CLI. So our next step now is to create our first app, which we are going to be doing in our next class.